Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the matrix question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given A matrix is given and identity matrix is given, and then we need to find A square minus 5A plus 7I. First, let's solve for A square. So A square can be written as A times of A. So just substitute A matrix here. So 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 2. So if we multiply these two, we'll get 3 times of 3 plus 1 times of minus 1, then 3 times of 1 plus 1 times of 2, and minus 1 times of 3, 2 minus 2 times of minus 1, and minus 1 times of 1 plus 2 times of 2. So if you simplify this, we'll get 3 times of 3 is 9 minus 1, and 3 times of 1 is 3, so 3 plus 2, and then minus 3 minus 2 and minus 1 plus 4. So if we simplify this, we'll get A square is equals to 8 5 minus 5 3. So this is the A square matrix. Now find 5A matrix. 5 into A. So 5 into, write down the A matrix, which is 3 minus 3 1 minus 1 2. So we just need to multiply by 5, so we'll get 5 3s are 15, 5, and minus 5 2s are 10. So this is the 5A matrix. Now find the 7I matrix. 7 into identity matrix. So which is 7 1 0 0 1 becomes 7 0 0 7. So we got A square, 5A and 7I values. So we just need to substitute these three matrices into the given, the equation which we need to find, which is A square minus 5A plus 7I becomes A square is 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5A matrix is 15 5 minus 5 10 plus a 7 0 0 7. So if we combine this, which means we need to subtract and add, so we'll get 8 minus 15 plus 7, 5 minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 0, and then we have 3 plus 3 minus 10 plus 7. So if you simplify this, we'll get 8 plus 7 is 15, so 15 minus 15, and then 5 minus 5 becomes 0, and next we have minus 5 plus 5, and then 3 plus 7 is 10, so 10 minus 10. So if you simplify this, we'll get A square minus 5A plus 7I is equals to 0 0 0, and 10 minus 10 is also a 0. So we can conclude that the answer is 0 0 and 0 0, which is the 0 matrix. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.